What's up, everyone? Want to do a quick Q&A with someone who sent me a question today. They asked about the length of the URL, and they sent me a bunch of different URLs. They had ideas for the business. My opinion is you should make it as short as possible, but still be relatable to your business. Because no one's going to remember a long URL, and it's going to take up more space in your cards and all your other material. You want something that's catchy and that stuff that people are going to remember. That's why with my personal one, I did 𝐶hlorineKingPools.com instead of 𝐶hlorineKingPoolServiceAndRepair.com. That's just way too much to remember if you're giving your URL to somebody. So shorter URLs equal better.